It's Tim Albright with AVNation with the Road to ISE. Integrated Systems Europe 2024 comes your way the 30th of January through the 2nd of February. And with me talking about AUO and their stand is Mr. Scott Hix. Welcome, sir.
Thanks, Tim. How are you doing today, bud?
I am doing fantastic. Getting ready to see you and looking forward to seeing you in Barcelona. Hall 5K as in Kangaroo 200, 5K 200 is where we will find you, where we'll find AUO. So Scott, we bounce into the stand, and what will we find?
Excited to be going to ISE this year. Obviously, coming off of what's been a crazy post-COVID window, we're feeling like 24 is that inflection point for AUO display to really show technology that's going to lead us into the next 5 years. AUO has been a company that's been around for over 25 years, global leader in both LCD and LED technology. So many of the smart solutions that you use out there today in automotive, in retail, education, enterprise, medical, those are coming out of the engineering labs of AUO. And we're heading to ISE this year to show the latest and greatest of where this technology, both in the form of LCD and LED and micro-LED, are going to begin to take product and solutions into the future. So our real goal is to meet with channel partners, brand partners, end user customers to kind of show off our technology core competency.
All right, Scott, I got a chance. Our buddy Dana Corey from Avicor actually showed me the AUO stand at Infocom last year. Incredibly impressive. Talk for a second about what users need to know about micro LED, because you're educating me here. We were talking beforehand. I'm a big fan of OLED, but micro LED is becoming even more important and, quite frankly, more cost effective than OLED is.
Yeah, agreed. So obviously we've seen lots of display technology in the form of LED, OLED, and LCD. Micro LED, it is what it sounds like. It's very small LED. So it's an emerging flat panel display technology that consists of an array of microscopic LEDs that form the display cluster that you're looking at. The advantage here, of course, are all the benefits of what LED brings, which is lower power, higher contrast, very efficient in its manufacturing, which means cost can come down over time. And it really is, it's the next promising technology that will emerge and transform our product and solutions using displays in the next 5 years. And it's going to be everywhere. It's going to be everywhere, like I said, from your automotive into your medical applications to your commercial consumer products like televisions are all going to be harnessing the power of micro LED over the next 5 years, we believe.
All right, Scott, talk to the head of IT from Oxford University, who's going to be at ISE, right? What use case? Where are they putting micro? Are they replacing screens in the classroom with it? Is this digital signage? Where do you see this going?
Today, most of the initial micro LED is in smaller diagonal footprints, meaning say 40 inches and below. Okay. And think of it in terms of, as I said, you see a whole new array of the experience in automotive. So AUO is one of the global leaders, in fact, the global leader in display technology for automobiles. So a Mercedes-Benz, a BMW, what used to be an analog output for the dashboard now is one large array with multiple screens within a screen that you can utilize. Micro LEDs being used in that area right now from a use case scenario. You're starting to see micro LEDs being considered into commercial applications for computer monitors. You're seeing micro LEDs for mobile devices. You will begin to see micro LED. In fact, we'll be showing this at ISE for simulators. So large dome-based simulation, flight simulation, gaming simulation. You'll also see it for home theater. So as a huge home theater buff, got a theater in my house still with a Runco display in there, which we helped to build years ago in one of my past lives, if you can remember. So I'm dating myself, right?
Sam Runco, good Lord. Okay,
Sam
go ahead.
Runco, yeah. He's family to me from my InFocus days. But you're going to see a micro LED that we're showing at ISE that would be the blackest and cleanest looking image ever for a home theater as well. So again, like typical display technology, whether it's LCD, OLED, or LED, micro LED is going to have an opportunity to fill across that spectrum of display locations where we see it today. So it's fairly limitless in where it can go.
Hall 5, Hall 5 K200 is where we'll find you, as well as AUO. But if somebody's not going to ISE and they want to follow along with everything you'll be talking about that week, where do they go?
AUO.com. Easy to find us. You'll hear all about what's going on at the exciting company in the year to come.
All right, very cool. Scott Hix talking about AUO, Hall 5 K200 is where you'll find them. For us, for AVNation, go by our website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv. Follow along as we also head to Barcelona for ISE 2024, the 30th of January through the 2nd of February. All that and more at avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.